Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of culinary convenience with the Barton pressure cooker and canner, a versatile kitchen essential that not only enhances the flavor and fragrance of your ingredients but also preserves their nutrients and vitamins, making it perfect for a variety of dishes and canning. This 16-quart powerhouse is crafted from heavy-gauge, rust-proof polished aluminum, ensuring durability and efficiency, while its deluxe pressure gauge dial offers precise pressure monitoring, which is crucial for high-altitude cooking. Included in the package is a handy cooking rack, designed to maximize canning space and prevent food from sticking to the bottom, ensuring a seamless cooking experience. With a quick relief valve set at 10 psi, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing your meals are cooked to perfection. The Barton pressure cooker is compatible with gas stoves, electric stove cookers, and ceramic furnaces, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. So why wait? Elevate your cooking game with the Barton pressure cooker and canner today. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.